welcome back to the channel. Yep, it's gone. Gone to the body shop, that is. It's getting worked on currently, and while it's not here, the work still continues. There's still plenty of things to do. Let me go over a few things before jumping into the actual content of this video. So I've been stockpiling a little bit and have just a few boxes here from LMR. So let's go through them really quick and see what I got. This box we have all brand new moldings. This one we have all the new weather stripping, window moldings, and all that good stuff. Here we have the whole exterior hardware kit. Every bolt pretty much on the car is gonna be brand new. Did start taking apart the engine, took off the headers, spark plug wires, but decided to stop because I'm missing a few parts, which will be here soon. There's gonna be a few changes to this engine, so stay tuned for that. Yep, so I have the interior there that I have to dye. You'll be seeing a video on that soon. But let's jump over to the main content of this video today. Yep, finally gonna work on this. The HVAC box we have here, all new components. Everything's gonna be replaced. Evaporator core, heater core, blower fan, seals, hoses, clamps. I don't know, this came out of the 88 that I was originally gonna build. The car I'm building now, the white hatch, did not come with the airbox because weight savings. But, you know, it's not gonna be a race car, it's gonna be a street car. We're in South Florida. We need AC. So this is top priority. So when the car gets back, we can install this and hopefully have all the interior pieces dyed already so we can start putting the car back together. So let's get into some time lapse of starting to work on this thing. Well, it's out. Yep. Even though I cleaned it in the time lapse, there's still some crud in here that I'll have to clean out. Here's a old evaporator core. As you can see, it gave me a little bit of an issue trying to take it out, but it's out. Doesn't look that bad with the exception. You can see, does not come with the foam pre-installed. Now, there have been several big YouTube channels that I've seen, which will remain nameless, that I've just seen them drop this into the box without that foam. Now, I'm pretty sure if you're watching this channel, you already more or less know how this works. You have the fan, the blower fan that blows the air that comes from the outside, blows it into your evaporator core. But you want that cold air to go through the evaporator core and not around it, because if not, the air won't get cooled. So that's why it's very important to put that foam tape around the evaporator core, which I'll do right now. I got it as close enough as I could to the original one. Obviously, it was never gonna be the same, but you know, anything helps. Now let's put it in. All right, so it's in, but I forgot to get the sealant. So I'll probably be doing that off camera, seal it up, and the evaporator core will be ready to go. Now let's hop onto the heater core and let's get that knocked out. All right, I'm back. Heater core, evaporator core, and new blower fan. All installed. With the plug, it's good to go. There's one thing that's left, but I'll do that off camera. It's a seal kit and the filter down there. But that's gonna be when this finally goes into the car. Yeah, so next video, there's still a lot to do. Probably tackle dyeing these panels, the dash, those quarter panels, finish them up, get that cut looking nice, dye that, and then engine. So when the car gets back, we can start just putting everything back together. All right, I know that pretty much skipped the difficult part because this was already out of the car, but you know, everything's new and it's good to go. So I'm gonna end this video off here. Thank you for your support. Please like, subscribe, helps me out a lot, and catch you in the next one.